Today we are starting with the geometry of the straight line in a certain shape. Now, the three things that we're going to focus on here on the geometry of the straight line. All of the lines that we are talking about here, the line, we said that the line there must be what? Straight line. And how can you obtain a straight line? To obtain a straight line, we must use what? A ruler. Are we clear? Yes. Like I said, this term in term 3, we are using what? Ruler, pencil, and are we clear? Yes. So on this topic and topic further, we will be adding the instruments. You remember the instrument, You have the box of an instrument. It has a 15 centimeter ruler and this type of a ruler and the isosceles ruler and also the ruler that is a semicircle, which is a protractor, and the two instruments, the one that you put the pencil. Remember those boxes? Yes. Some of you they have them at home, right? Yes. From tomorrow you bring them. I don't want to negotiate again. Yes. Good. Now let's start with the lines that are perpendicular. The lines that are perpendicular, I will just draw a simple straight line. Are we clear? Yes. A simple what? Straight line. This is a simple straight line. Now on my straight line, I label my straight line A and B. So the name of this line is the line map. Is line map? Is line map? AB. It's line AB. Are we clear? Yes. Now since this ruler, if you can see this ruler is curved very sharp here. Are we clear? It's a nice corner here. So I will just use the other shape on it and draw the same straight line on going to the different direction like this one. Then from B, C. I will say it's C. So the two lines, how will I know them, or how will I say, how can you say that the two lines are perpendicular? By a show of a direction or of an angle, we know this sign, the represent of the angle here is what? 90 degrees. So I can conclude that the two lines are what? Perpendicular. Which of the two lines? Line number AB is perpendicular to line number BC. So when the two lines are perpendicular, where they meeting or intersect, they make up which angle? 90. Which angle are they making up? 90 degree angle. Are we clear? Yes. Yakwala? Yes. Shasha? Yes. Now, in a simple context of mathematics, we have that. But then, how can I say? To formulate the questions, we say when the two lines are perpendicular and then they make up an angle of 90 degrees. Now let me make a question for you to analyze the diagram. Line AB perpendicular to line BC at this point. Are we clear? Yes. And then they make up an angle of what? 90 degrees. Then I draw another third line. Are we clear? Yes. When I draw another third line, I draw another third line from point B, where the 90 is. It means, in other words, I'm intersecting or I'm now dividing 90 degrees into how many sections? Into how many sections? Two sections again. Yes. Section A and section B. Now, which means now we are having two different angles. Are we clear? Yes. Angle number A, which is angle 20 degrees, and angle number B, which is angle mark? Yes. Yakwala? Yes. Is angle mark? Yes. Angle mark? Yes. Angle S. Now let me ask you, are we clear? Yes. When I say angle X plus angle 20 degrees, which angle are they equal to? Yes. Then equals to 90 degrees. Why are they equals to 90 degrees? If anyone can say. Why are the two equals to 90 degrees? Why are the two equals to 90 degrees? Anyone? Because the angle are what? Complete? The angle are what? Complementary. The angle are what? Complementary. Complementary meaning when you add the two of those angles, they give you what? 90 degrees. Wherever the two lines intersecting, they make up an angle of what? 90 degrees. Am I clear? Yes. You want to understand this somewhere there? Shasha. Yeah. Now, which means I will say angle of X plus angle of 20 is equal to angle of what? The whole angle here is what? Is 90. Okay? Yes. If I have to put a reason in the again, the angles are what? Complementary. Or someone can say the reason going AB is perpendicular to what? BC. And then if AB is perpendicular to BC, angle 20 plus angle X, they are both what? Complementary. Which means they add up to 90 degrees. I know I'll ask you again. Let's continue. The second example, I will draw the two lines again. The same two lines. Then let's say it's 90 degrees. So what is up? Anyone who can find us the angle of 180. The angle of Y, the missing angle Y. Anyone who can try? Don't speak if you don't want to give us the answer. Anyone want to try? Okay, it's fine. Since it's an introduction of a lesson, I will do it for you. We will say angle 30, right? Plus second angle, which is 90 minus Y. All the two angles, they must equal what? 90. Reason. Since we don't have the reference of the lines, right? Reorganizing, both angles are what? Complementary. You said the two angles are what? Complementary. Are we together? Yes. Good. Then mathematically here, we will have 30 plus 90, which is what? The answer is 120, right? Minus Y, which is equal to 90. Then how can I solve for Y? I will take Y to the other side and multiply by negative, which is negative Y. Then it's going to give us positive Y. Then I will have 120. And then I will take 90 from this side to the other side and multiply by negative, which I will have negative 90 is equal to positive Y. Then taking my information further up here, I will have 120 minus 90 gives us what? 30, right? 30 is equal to what? Y. So which means the value of Y here is what? Is 30 degrees. Are we clear? Any question? Can I continue? Okay. Now which means we are done with the with the perpendicular lines, right? Then let's go to the intersecting lines. The intersecting lines are the lines that meet at a certain point. Again, the two straight line or two or more of the straight line, they meet at a certain point. Let's see. Straight line this one again. Straight line this one again. I draw the first straight line this. Are we clear? Yeah. Straight line number 1. Then straight line number 2. Can you see that? What shape is that line? Yes. What shape is that? Yes. What shape is that? Yes. You said? Yes. Who's X? Who's X? You don't know? Okay. Now, we say that, listen. We say that angle on the straight line. This is just one straight line, right? Yes. Angles on the straight line. They add up to what? 108. Are we clear? Now I have the first straight line this one. Again? Now this other line, it divides the straight line. Are we clear? When I mean divide the straight line, it cuts or it intersects the straight line at this point. Lamba? And then if I have to show the only section where it cuts, I will wrap the rest of the line. It only cuts at this point and at this point. Now we have what? The two angles that are different. The two lines are not perpendicular. They are not what? Perpendicular. But They intersect at a certain point, making certain angles. So which means I can say here we have x, here we have what? Y. So what does it tell us? It tells us for angle x plus angle y is equals to what? Anyone is equals to? It's equals to 108. Very good. Right, Joshua? Yes. Angle x plus angle y is equals to what? It's on the same straight line. This is the same straight line. Can you see that? Yes. Now the same straight line is being divided or is being intersected or is being cut by a certain line at this point. Making for angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 which is x and angle 2 which is what? And then both of them, when you add them, they give us what? 180 degrees. Reason, we say the angles are what? Supplementary. We say the angles are what? Supplementary. We say angles are what? Supplementary. Let's compare it with the perpendicular lines. We say that when the two lines are intersecting at a certain point and making up an angle of 90 degrees. Are we clear? Yes. Are we clear? Yes. Now, when I divide the same two lines that make up an angle of 90 degrees where they meet, and I have angle 1 and angle 2, the two of the angles, when I add them, they must give me what? 90 degrees. Then I will say for it, the two angles are what? Complementary. Like what? Yes. No, now, on the perpendicular line is because they are making this small angle. Again? But here on the intersecting line, they make up what? A straight line angle. Are we clear? Yeah. Can you get that? Yeah. Shasha. Okay, let's continue. If it happens, or the value of y now is known, let's say maybe it's 87. Is what? 87 degrees. Can we find the value of x or the angle of x? Anyone who can try it by just saying, how can we find the value of x? You said 180 minus 87 is equals to? He said 180 minus 87 is equals to 93. It's correct, but I thought you will say it in a proper way. Like I have done here. Can you do it this way? Okay, how will you put what you have just said here? Okay, x plus 87 degrees is equals to 180. Reason? Angles are what? Supplementary in the bracket. Now in the bracket I will put supplementary angles again. Then from there I do mathematical calculations with what? With the calculator. Then I will take this 87 to the other side. Then I will have x equals to 180 minus 87, which is equals to 93 degrees. Then which means my angle of x is what? It's 93 degrees. Are we clear? Yes. Are we clear? Yes. I was just doing this demonstration for that. Remember, I have had the straight line part of it again. Now I'm extending it. You said the shape is what? You said the shape is what? It's x, right? Yes. So how many of the straight line here? If I have to wrap, I will have x, y, z, then here is w. So how many angles are there? 4 angles. How many angles are there? 4 angles. How many angles? 4 angles, right? Yeah. Now on the 4 angles, this is the statement that we're going to talk about. We will say that angle W, we say what? Angle W, again, is equals to angle Y. Is equals to what? Angle Y. Reason, we will say the angles are vertically what? Opposite. We will say the angles are what? Opposite. Not just opposite. We will say the angles are what? Vertically opposite. So which tells us for angle this one and this one, they are what? They are the same or they are equal. Are we clear? Yes. As long as the shape is what? The shape is what? X. Then again we will say angle Z. Can you see angle Z?
Yeah.
Angle Z is equal to angle X. Reason, we will say the angles are vertically what? Opposite. As long as the shape is what? X. This angle and this angle are equal. Vertically opposite angles. It is this angle and this angle are equal. Vertically opposite angles. See? It's the reason. Are we clear? The last part. When the lines are parallel. Now this one I will do it in a separate way because it has a lot of administration. Are we clear? For now, let's end our lesson.